Hello everyone! Let's learn about clouds. Clouds are made of a bunch of very tiny water droplets or ice crystals. There are many different types of clouds. We're going to look at just 3 of them: the cirrus cloud, the stratus cloud, and the cumulus cloud. Cirrus clouds are high, fast-moving clouds. They look delicate and feathery. The stratus clouds are closer to the ground and can produce light rain or snowfall. They are uniform and flat. The cumulus cloud can mean a bright sunny day, or they can turn into cumulus nimbus clouds, which produce rain showers. The cumulus clouds are puffy and bright. Let's paint. First, we'll need to make some puffy paint for our clouds. You will need glue, shaving cream, a container, and a tool to mix with, like a popsicle stick. Mix some glue and shaving cream together until you get a thick, fluffy consistency. On the top section of a blue piece of paper, paint some cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds are wispy. Pull your brush in an upward curved motion. Below on the middle part of your paper, paint stratus clouds. They are horizontal and are the same shape. Paint short, straight lines across your paper. At the bottom of your paper, paint the cumulus cloud. These clouds are puffy, so use big globs of paint to create their big, fluffy shapes. Now that you've learned about these clouds, can you identify them in the sky? Extend the journey. Let's make a landscape painting. Take your extra puffy paint and divide it into 3 containers. With food coloring, dye 1 container pink. And dye the other container green. Keep the 3rd container of puffy paint white. On a blue piece of paper, pick one of the types of clouds we just learned about and paint some at the top. I'm painting some big cumulus clouds. Next, on the bottom of your paper, paint a big grassy field using the green paint. Then, after washing your brush, add some bright pink flowers. Great job! Thank you for joining ASI today. At ASI, we'd love for you to email us your art to be included on our website and online art show. You can email pictures of your art to info@artsphere.org. If you post a picture of your art from this lesson on social media, be sure to include the hashtag #LoveArtsphereInc. You can find more free teaching videos, handouts, and lesson plans at info@artsphere.org.